if 20 minus 20 means 400, 18 divide 4 means 18 divide 4 means 22. 16 multiply 12 means 4. Then find 100 minus 10 multiply 1000 divide 1000 then again divide 100. This one is so clearly first we see that the minus multiply divide these sign will replace because there is a 20 minus 20 means 400. It means the minus means multiply because 20 multiply 20 is 400. So this minus we replace with multiply sign. So minus is replaced with multiply sign. So only one minus is in question there. Now multiply, there is a multiply 16 multiply 12 means 4. It means multiply means minus because 16 minus 12 is 4. So here we replace with multiply sign minus sign. Now 1000, now divide. 18 divide 4 means 22. So divide means plus sign. So we replace with plus sign. After replacing the sign, now we can see there is according to D mass we multiply first. So 100 multiply 10 is 1000. Then minus 1000. Then plus 1000 plus 100. Now same sign we add. So same sign number are three number 1000, 1000 and 100. These are positive number, same sign number. So they will be added. So 1000 plus 1000, 2000 plus 100, 2100 minus 1000. It gives us 1100. So this is the answer. It is given in option 1100 is not given. In the last there is multiply 10 is also. In the last step there is multiply 10 is also. So multiply means here minus sign. So we write minus 10 also. So after writing minus 10, we see there is two negative numbers 1010. So they become 1010. So after subtracting 10, we get 1090. 1090 is given in C option. Is it clear? Okay, after 8th, next one is 11th one. Question number 11. So come to 11th question number. Question 11 is, if plus stands for, there is the divide sign. If divide stands for minus sign, if divide stands for minus, minus stands for multiply, multiply stands for plus sign, and plus stands for Plus stands for divide sign. Then which of the following equation is correct? So equation is A option. 8 plus 6 minus 4 multiply 3 divide 9 equal to 18. Let us check first A part. Is it correct or not? So first in the solution we replace the sign. So plus stands for, where is the plus stands for? Plus stands for divide. So we write here divide 8 divide 6. Minus stands for multiply. So we replace with minus multiply sign. Multiply stands for plus sign and divide stands for minus sign. This is our left hand side LHS. RHS is 18. So first we, in this term, we divide first. 8 divide 6. We solve first. It become 8 over 6. Multiply 4. Then plus 3 minus 9. So it become 8 6 are 40. 8 4 are 32. 32 divide 6. It is in fraction form. It is in fractional form. It gives us fractional form, decimal form. So it is not equal to 18. 18 is the whole number and it give in decimal number answer. So it is incorrect. So A option is not correct. So it is rejected. So question is asking which one is correct. So A is not correct. Come to B option. So we write here B. So B option is 8 minus 6 plus 4 divide 3 multiply 9 equal to 18. So here minus replaced with minus stands for multiply. So we replace with multiply. Plus stands for divide. Divide stands for minus. Multiply stands for plus. This is our left hand side. So here we divide first. So it becomes 6 over 4 minus 3 plus 9. 4 and 8 can cancel 2 times. So it becomes 2 6 are 12. Now same sign 12 and 9 added. So it becomes 21 minus 3. So 21 minus 3 is 18. So it is correct. This option is correct. So option B is the answer. Now before giving the answer, we can check other option also. All other options we can check here. So come to option C. We can check option C also. Option C is 8 divide 6 multiply 4 minus 3 plus 9 equal to 18. So replace with the sign. Divide stands for minus. So 8 minus 6. Multiply stands for plus. Minus stands for multiply. Plus stands for divide. This is our solution of left hand side LHS. Now divide we solve first. So 3 over 9 we solve first. Multiply 4 plus 6 minus 8. It gives us 1 over 3. It is fractional form. It is not in whole number form. So 12 over 9 is fractional form. 12 over 9 is fraction form. So answer will come in fraction. So it is not equal to 18. So it is rejected. So C option is rejected. Now last D option also we can check. Sometimes multiple choice question is also available, so we can check D option also. 8 plus 6 multiply 4 minus 3 divide 9 equal to 18. So in solution, left hand side we solve first. So plus 8 plus 6, so plus replaced with divide sign, and multiply replaced with plus sign. Now minus replaced with multiply sign, and divide replaced with minus sign. Now 8 divide 6 plus 4 multiply 3 minus 9. So 8 over 6 is fractional form. It is not cancelling complete cancels. It is not cancelling complete time. So it is in fraction form. So it is also rejected because it does not give fraction whole number form. Now that's why only B option giving the correct answer. So B option for this question is correct. Now come to question number 13. Question 13 is, if the digit 7 and 3, if the digit 7 and 3 and sign minus and sign minus and multiply are interchanged, on the left hand side of left hand side in each option, then which of the following becomes correct? Then find correct option. So there is A option, 3 multiply 7 minus 4 equal to 5. So according to given condition, we change the digit 7 and 3. If the digit 7 and 3 and sign minus multiply are interchanged, so 3 replaced with 7 and 7 replaced with 3, minus multiply replaced with and sign minus and multiply are replaced. So these are multiply and replace the sign. So this is our left hand side. Now we solve it. It gives us 7 minus 3. We here solve multiply first according to D mass. Multiply comes first, subtraction last. So multiply here is 3 4 are 12. It gives us minus 5. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So it is incorrect. It is not correct. It is minus 5. Question is on right side is plus 5. So A option is incorrect. Now come to B option. Come to B option. B option is 4 minus 3 multiply 7 is equal to 31. So left hand side we solve. So 4 is, there is a 7 and 3 replaced, 4 remain as it is, minus replaced with multiply and multiply replaced with minus, 3 replaced with 7 and 7 replaced with 3. Now according to D mass we multiply first. So 7 4 are 28, 28 minus 3 is 25. That is also incorrect. because equal to 31 is not correct. Both sides should be equal. Left hand side is 25, right hand side is 31, so it is incorrect. Come to option C. Option C is 7 minus 4 multiply 3 equal to 5. So here again we solve left hand side. In left hand side, first we 7 and 3 replace, question is saying. So we write instead of 7 3, then minus is replaced with multiply. So this minus replaced with multiply, 4 remain as it is, and multiply replaced with minus, 3 replaced with 7. Now 3 4 are 12, 12 minus 7 is 5. It is equal to 5. There is right hand side is also equal 5. So it is correct. That's why option C is correct answer. Now D also we can check the last option. D option is 7 multiply 4 minus 3 equal to 28. In the D option, left hand side we solve. So 7 and 3 replace. So there 7 we replace with 3. Multiply and minus replace. So my multiply with minus, minus with multiply, 3 with 7. So here we multiply first. 7 4 are 28, and 3 minus 28 is minus 25. Other, it is not equal to right hand side. Not equal to right hand side. So it is incorrect. Only C option is correct. So correct option is asking in the question. So C option is our final answer. Is it correct? Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Every option we are solving here individual question type. Next question number 14. So question 14 is, if plus is written as multiply, if plus is written as multiply, multiply is written as minus, divide is written as plus, divide is written as plus, and minus is written as divide. Minus is written as divide. So this is the change in the sign. Then what is the value? Then find the value of 288 minus, we write here 288 minus 32 plus 6 multiply 45 divide 9. In this solution, first we interchange the sign. So 288 minus is replaced with divide sign. So we replace with divide. Plus is replaced with multiply. Multiply is replaced with minus. Now divide is replaced with plus sign. So according to D mass, we divide solve first. So here is the divide. 288 divide 32. So 32 is divisor, 288 is dividend. So it will divide 32 5 is 160. It is more than 32 9 ja is 9 2 ja 18, 1 carry, 27 plus 1 288. It divides 9 times. So here we write 9 multiply 6 minus 45 plus 9. Now after divide we multiply first. So 9 6 ja 54 minus 45 plus 9. So 54 minus 45, it gives us 9. 9 plus 9, answer is 18. Final answer is 18. And we can check the option 18. B option is there. B option is right answer. Is it clear? Next, our doubt question is in number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. If at the rate denotes, there is some special sign. If at the rate denotes plus sign, and dollar sign denotes divide sign. And hash sign denotes multiply. And see in the circle, this sign denotes minus sign. Then find the value. And number is 32 at the rate 4 hash sign $57 19. See in the circle sign, then 6. This we have to simplify. So in the solution, first we interchange the sign, replace the sign with proper sign. So at the rate is denoted with plus sign. So 32 plus 4, it becomes 32 plus 4. Hash sign denoted with multiply. So we replace with multiply. Dollar sign is replaced with divide sign. So we replace with divide sign. And C in the circle denotes with minus sign. Now simplify. So here we divide first. So 57 divide 19. How many times it will divide? 57 divide 19. It divides 3 times. Okay. Rest of term we write as it is. Now according to after divide we use multiply. So there is 4 3 ja. What is 4 3 ja? 4 3 ja 12. Now after multiply we use addition, same sign add. 32 plus 12, it gives us 44. 44 minus 6, it gives us 38. So 38 we can see in the option B. Option B is the correct answer. After 18, next question number, doubt question number is 19. So come to question number 19. If asterisk sign is there, asterisk denotes multiply. Hash sign denotes plus sign. Percentage denotes minus. And dollars denotes divide. And then which of the following equation is incorrect? We have to find out incorrect option. Which one is incorrect? Incorrect, we have to find out. A option is five hash $6 $3 asterisk 4 percentage 9 equal to 4. So we can simplify first. So 5 hash sign is with plus sign, replace with plus sign, dollar sign replace with divide sign 3, asterisk sign replace with multiply, and percentage sign replace with minus. This is our left hand side of solution. Now divide we use first. So 6 divide 3 is 2. 2 multiply 4 gives us 8. Now 2 positive 5 and 8 gives us 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. And right hand side is 4. So it is correct. Question is asking incorrect. So incorrect is asking in the question. So this option is wrong. This option is incorrect. Now come to B option. B option is 5 asterisk sign, $9 sign 3, hash sign 4, percentage sign 6 equal to 13. First we replace the sign. Asterisk sign replaced with multiply, dollar sign replaced with divide sign, hash sign denotes with positive sign, percentage replaced with minus sign. This is our left hand side. Now divide we use first. So 9 divide 3, it gives us 3. Now multiply 5 3 are 15 plus 4 minus 6. 15 plus 4 is 19. Same sign add first. 19 minus 6 is 13. So 13 is right hand side. So this option is also correct. We have to identify incorrect option. That's why correct option is rejected. Come to C option. In the C option, 5 hash 3 asterisk 6 $2 percentage 8 equal to 10. So in the solution of left hand side, so first we hash sign replaced with plus sign, asterisk sign replaced with multiply sign, dollar sign replaced with dollar is here divide sign, percentage replaced with minus sign. Now divide we use first in solution. So 6 divide 2 gives us 3. Now multiply we use first. 3 multiply 3 is 9. Now to a positive number we add first. 5 plus 9 is 14. Now 14 minus 8 is 6. That is not equal to 10. That is not equal to right hand side. So this incorrect option is asking in the question. Then which is incorrect? So option C is incorrect. Answer is option C. Is it clear? Still we are doing solution of D option also. D option also solving. D is 5 asterisk 6 $3 hash sign 4 percentage sign 8 equal to 6. So in left hand side LHS, asterisk sign replaced with multiply, 5 multiply 6, dollar sign replaced with divide, hash sign replaced with plus sign, and percentage replaced with minus. Now divide, we solve first. 6 divide 3 is 2. Now multiply first. 5 to the 10 plus 4 minus 8. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. So is equal to RHS. That is correct option. So incorrect option is only C. That's why question 19 answer is C. Last your doubt question number is 20th. Question number 20. So we remove it this number also. So question 20 is, if P stands for addition, addition means plus. Q stands for subtraction, subtraction means minus. R stands for division. This is division sign. And S stands for multiplication. Then find the value. The expression is 84 R 12 P 7 S 4 Q 18. So here first in solution we replace with letters with their proper operations. R stands for divide sign, so R replaced with divide. Then 12. P replaced with plus sign, P stands for plus. Then 7. S stands for multiply and Q stands for minus. After replacing the whole sign, now according to D mass we use divide first. 84 divides 12 is 7. 7 12 ja 84. Then remaining sign we write as it is. In the next step we multiply. After multiplying we see 7 4 ja is there, so 7 4 ja 28. After multiply, next is addition. So 7 and 28 we add them, it becomes 35. 35 minus 18 is 17. 17 is correct answer, and it is given in option A. Option B, 17 is correct answer. Is it clear? So question is, if the W stands for plus, K stands for multiply, T stands for minus, R stands for divide. So 4 operator is there. So we have to solve 38W, 600R, 15K, 23T, 100. So first, what is replaced with W? Please tell. W is replaced with? Yes. And R replaced with? Divide. And K replaced with? Multiply, yes. Now T replaced with? Subtraction, okay, 100. Now after replacing, which operators we solve first according? We did division first. Divide first, yes. So 600 divide 15, what we get? Result? 40. 40. So we replace with 40. Now rest of terms we write as it is. Now next step, what we solve? Yes, 40 multiply 23. Yes, 40 multiply 23. 920. Correct. Now next step. 38 plus 920. Yes, 958. Minus 100. It gives us 858. Which option is correct? B option. Yes, correct. Next question number 22. if the number 7 and 4 if the number 7 and 4 and sign divide and multiply are interchanged, then which of the given option become correct? Which of the given option is correct? So A option is 4 divide 8 minus 24 multiply 7 equal to 50. So in the solution there are two interchange, 7 and 4 interchange first thing, and then sign interchange, divide and multiply. So there is divide, 4 and 7 we interchange. So here is 7, here is 4. So left hand side we solving. So here we write 7, in the last we write 4, and interchange the sign is divide and multiply. So there is multiply, it replace with divide sign, and here is divide, it replace with multiply sign, and there is no change in other sign. Now divide we use first, so it gives us 24 divide 4 6, and 7 multiply 8 is 56. 56 minus 6 is 50 and is equal to right hand side. So this option is correct. Correct option is asking in the question, so we can say A option is correct. Answer is A option therefore. Now still we are doing the B, C, D option for checking purpose. So come to B option. 7 multiply 24 minus 8 divide 4 equal to 40. So left hand side we are solving. So multiply replace with divide sign, 7 replace with 4, 7 replace with 4, and divide replace with multiply, minus does not replaced. Now simplifying this, so it gives us 4 divide 24 minus 8 7 is 56. It is fraction form, it is not equal to 40. It is not equal to 40, so it is incorrect. It is incorrect. Similarly C and D are also incorrect. We can still solving to check the for checking purpose. So C option is 7 divide 8 minus 24 multiply 4 equal to 28. So left hand side we are solving. So 7 is replaced with 4, divide replaced with multiply, and 4 is replaced with 7, and multiply replaced with divide. Now 24 divide 7, it is not divisible by 7, 24. So it is fraction form, 8 4 is 32. It is still fractional form, it is not equal to 22. So it is also incorrect. So C option is also rejected. Now come to D option. So last we also D check it. 4 multiply 8 minus 24 divide 7 equal to 32. So in the solution of left hand side 4 is replaced with 7, multiply replaced with divide, minus remain as it is, 24 remain as it is, divide replaced with multiply, 7 replaced with 4. So this is LHS. Now 7 divided 8 is remain as 7 upon 8, and 28 4 4 ja is 96. So it is again fraction form. It is not equal to 32 whole number. So it is also incorrect option. So in this way 22 answer is A option. Next 23rd question. If plus sign denotes multiply, if plus denotes multiply, multiply denotes divide, divide denotes minus, and minus denotes plus. Then find the value of then find the value of 4 minus 24 plus 2 multiply 12 divide 8. So here is the single now solve. So first in solution we replace the sign. So minus replaced with plus sign, minus denotes plus. Now plus denotes multiply, multiply denotes divide, divides denotes minus. After changing the sign according to given question, now we use divide, multiply, addition, subtraction, D mass rule. So divide first we solve. So it is 2 divide 12. Now multiply numerator numerator. So 24 to the 48. So 48 divide 12, it gives us 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So 0 we get the answer that is given in D option. Now second last question, 24th number. Question 24. Which of the following interchange the sign which of the following interchanges of signs would make the given equation correct? So 8 multiply 290 minus 200 divide 50 plus 70 equal to 18. So option is, first option is plus and minus. So plus sign replaced with minus. So in the solution A, we replace plus sign with minus, and minus we replace with plus. So here we replace plus instead of minus, and instead of plus we replace with minus. So we are solving left hand side. Now divide, we first solve. So here is divide 200 divide 50, it gives us 4. Now 2 into 290, we multiply first. So 2 8 16 plus 7 2 3 2 0 plus 4 minus 70, it gives us 2 3 2 4 minus 70, it gives us 12 minus 7 5 2 2 5 4, and it is not equal to 18, so it is incorrect option. This sign is incorrect, gives the incorrect answer. So A is rejected option. Now come to B option. B option is saying divide and multiply. We interchange. So 8, instead of multiply we write divide, minus remain as it is, divide replace with multiply, plus remain as it is. Now we solve divide. So it is 8 divide 290, 200 5 ja 50 ja 10,000 plus 70. It is negative value, it is fractional value, so it is not equal to 18, so it is also incorrect. It is also incorrect option. So come to next C option. We have to find out correct option. Question is saying find correct option. C option is replace minus and multiply. So multiply replace with minus, minus replace with multiply, divide as it is, 70 as it is, plus as it is. Now 200 divide 50, it gives us 4, because we are doing first divide according to D mass. Now 294 ja according to D mass. Next is multiply. 29 2 ja 58, so it is 1160 4 ja, and it is negative value is larger, 1160 is larger, so answer is negative, it is not equal to 18, so it is also incorrect. So by the way, A, B, C option are incorrect, so we can say without checking D option should be correct. If we do not have time, then we can tick the D option correct, but still we can check plus and multiply, we can interchange. So instead of multiply we write plus, and minus remain as it is, divide as it is, plus replaced with multiply. Now divide, we use solve first. 200 divide 50, we get 4. So 4 multiply 70 is 280. 290 minus 298, 8 plus 290, 298 minus 80 is 18. So this one is correct. So our option D is correct answer. So this is quite long. We are doing all 4 options. So it is time consuming type. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now 25th one. So question 25th, if L stands for plus, L stands for plus, M stands for divide, N stands for multiply, and J stands for minus, then find the value. Fifteen and 7 L 46 M 23 J 18. So here we replace with the sign first. So N stands for, can you tell? N stands for, N stands for multiply. L stands for plus. M stands for divide. J stands for minus. Okay. Next, divide we solve first. So what we get? 46 divide 23. 46 divide 23. We get 2. Now multiply. 15 7 ja 105. Now same sign add. 105 plus 2, 107 minus 18. It is 89. So 89 is A option given. So in this way we have done 25 questions of these mathematical operator type questions.